Cartel is a platform designed for small business owners and entrepreneurs, making it a great choice for dropshipping. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Cartel for dropshipping. Set up your Cartel store. Go to Cartel's website and sign up for an account. Choose a store plan. Customize your store's appearance using available themes. Integrate with a dropshipping supplier. Select a dropshipping supplier like Printful, S-Pocket or Oberlo. Connect your supplier's account with Cartel or add products manually from your supplier's website. Add products. Import products from your dropshipping supplier or manually create listings in Cartel. Set prices, descriptions, and any other product details. Set up payment methods. Cartel supports PayPal and Stripe for payment processing. Set up your preferred payment method to accept payments from customers. Market and sell. Promote your store via social media, email marketing, and other channels. Once an order is placed, the supplier will fulfill it, and you will earn a profit margin between your selling price and the supplier's cost.